I am very happy to announce that I have been selected as a probationary officer in Canara Bank, as a specialist officer in Central Bank of India, and IBPS assistant in Bank of India. And 2 weeks before that, probationary officer results of State Bank of India, I have also been selected for that. I have completed my graduation in 2018, after which I appeared in the pool campuses and got selected as a software tester. Simultaneously, I prepared for the banking examination and I cleared my preliminaries in my first attempt but couldn't make it to the final results. And after a year, I made it to the interview but didn't make it to the final results, and during which my father got retired and we have to move to Nagpur. So we shifted to Nagpur, and after coming here, former SNS student suggested me to go check out the SNS study circle, and my mother asked me to join the same. After which I am very pleased to join this study circle, because of which today I have 4 results in my hand. As of today, I have completed 8 months in SNS study circle, and during these 8 months I have given many sectional tests which eventually improved my speed and accuracy. After which my pre-examination started in classes, and where I scored good marks and which sir noticed a lot. After which he suggested me to move to the seniors batch and get to know the toppers of the classes and get accustomed to the environment and compete with these toppers, where I met many people like Ashwin, Nivesh and Himanshu Vaidya, who were the toppers in this batch and who encouraged me to score more. Because of them and every other person in the batch, I scored and my marks escalated quickly. During this journey of preliminaries and mains examinations, Sanjay sir showed a lot of faith and belief in me, due to which I was more confident in myself that I would clear this examination. And after the mains result were announced, I consulted with Sanjay sir, and where he told me that he would set up some practice sessions for the interview, where I would gain experience in my interview sessions. And he also said that Sanjay sir and Subhash sir would help me in the banking terminologies and about the bank histories and all, due to which helped me a lot in my interviews. And 5 to 6 mock sessions were conducted during this session. Also, my batchmates like Nikhil Bhaiya and Mithil Bhaiya helped me a lot. They conducted individual interviews for me and mentored me to how to be properly seated in interviews and appear for the same. And because of these sessions, I scored 48 out of 50 in SBI PO interviews. Because of these interview sessions, I have scored 48 out of 50 in SBI PO interview, and I also cleared my specialist officer interview and probationary officer interview of IBPS PO. For this, I would like to thank my parents and friends I made in SNS study circle who were competing with me in this examination, and also the mentors of SNS study circle, Sanjay sir, Subhash sir and Sanjay sir, and also the entire team of SNS study circle, to Yogesh sir, Naseem sir and Dheeraj sir, who helped me achieve these results. My message to every student in SNS study circle would be to not losing their energy, and if they are getting negative results, so don't frown. Be energetic and try to appear every examination with full force. Don't just appear the examination to clear it. And I hope to see you in banking profession soon. I would like to wish you all best of luck. Thank you.